guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, welcome. So today for this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for this ponytail that was sent to me from Luvme Hair. So it comes in this pretty little purple box right here. It's really cute, and let me show you guys the ponytail. I'm not for sure how long it is, but it is like a yaki texture. It's like really pretty. And let me show you guys the inside and how it's constructed. So on the inside, it comes with a little clip, and then this part is a little part that you wrap around your ponytail, and then it also comes with Velcro right here, and then this is the back. I really like the highlights in this. This is really cute. So my hair is already up in a ponytail. Got my little baby hairs going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it. The Velcro keeps getting stuck to my hair. I'm just trying to make sure that it's secured and not going anywhere. So the Velcro is secured on the ponytail. I'm just gonna take this part and wrap it around. So I have like this little piece right here. That is the end. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and bobby pin it down so it's not going anywhere. Ooh. So this is the ponytail. I think it's really cute. The texture is perfect. It matches with my hair. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what it looks like from the back. It's really cute. I really like this ponytail. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this ponytail. I actually think I might throw like some long curls in it. So I'm feeling a little bit I want it a little bit curly. And even though this hair is like a yaki texture, you can straighten it if you want to. Just for time's sake, I'm just gonna go ahead and long curl it anyway. So So this is the ponytail after it is wand curled on both sides. Honestly, I think I like it better like this, to be honest. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it better straight, or do you guys like it better wand curled? 'Cause I'm feeling the wand curl, to be honest. But yes, I love this ponytail. I will be using this as my ponytail from now on. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this ponytail. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial on styling this little ponytail. If you guys like my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.